We left at 4:15 this morning. Well, some of us attempted to leave at 3, but I was the last one out of the house, so it ended up being 4:15 that we left the house for some breakfast at McDonald's, and now we're back in the car, back on the road. We're planning to drive as far as we possibly can, and then we're going to stay overnight at a hotel. Probably we'll stay in, where do we plan to stay at? In Gainesville? Gainesville, since it's just a couple hours from Disney World. That way we can just wake up in the morning and have just a couple hour drive to the park. And the kids all have their games and tablets to keep them busy, as well as their headphones. What's wrong, Kenz? Are your headphones not working?
No. Just had to fix the sock.
And we got plenty of snacks.
Yeah, thanks for...
We came prepared. What else did you bring?
Yeah.
Oh, you got your kitty cat. Is he enjoying the ride?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But since the whole time sleeping.
Oh, he's sleeping in the door, in the little cubby.
Yeah. Because I mean, I put in there because it had no flu.
Oh, he's so cute. So we finally arrived. We just checked in. The humidity is real here. Gonna have lots of frizzy hair this week. But we're so excited. We checked in and we're getting ready to head over to Epcot. We're gonna catch the Magical Express and take that over to Epcot. We all have our magic bands and we're ready to go. So we're waiting for the bus to Epcot. What ride are we gonna try to hit first?
Soarin', because
Soarin'?
it's not scary and you get to experience some of the great cultures of
Feels like you're really there. Yeah, we'll probably try to hit that one. What ride do you want to go on first, Kenzie? What ride do you want to go on first?
I don't know.
You don't know? Just gonna play it by ear?
I mean, I am going to go on one, but I don't know which one.
You don't know which one. Yeah, we'll figure it out once we get there. So, how about you, Justy? What ride do you want to ride on first?
Not that.
The Soarin'.
That's
Yeah.
Disney Springs.
Yeah, we'll try to hit Soarin'. I think I'm most excited to try all the tasty treats at Epcot.
I am not excited.
What do you
for that.
think?
I'm excited for.
I am.
Excited for the ride.
I like to eat. You hot, Ken? first ride. We're gonna ride Soarin'. It's supposed to be a half-hour wait, but so we'll see. Looks like a lot of people. Okay, so we just finished Soarin'. What'd you think about it, Jess?
It was good.
Was it better than the first time?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. So now we're gonna go over to the Nemo ride because Kenzie wants to ride that one. Kenzie, what did you think about Soarin'?
I liked it.
Did you like Soarin'? Was it scary like you thought it would be?
No, only my legs were shaking.
Just your legs were shaking, so only your legs were scared.
No, my legs were shaking.
I thought it was pretty fun.
I was just about
So what are we gonna ride next, Ken?
I thought it was pretty scary.
We're
Yeah.
gonna go over to this Nemo ride.
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
I was just about gonna say, you
go
get
eat.
these pins just because they make memories.
All right, Eve, show us the new pen you got. Pretty cool, bud. So we need to get you some tradable ones though, right?
Yeah, I'm planning on getting a cheap pack.
A cheaper pen that you can trade. You won't feel bad if you lose it.
Yeah, I'm just.
Nemo, where are you, son? Nemo? Oh no.
Those are not real because that's
Games? I love games. I'm thinking of something big and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink.
That's jellyfish!
What's in there, Kenzie? Did you guys see anything?
Oh, Mom, I see scuba diving. Is it
Looks like lettuce.
Remaining lettuce.
Romanian lettuce.
What is
I
it?
think it's
Wait, we don't want the same ride?
enjoying some snacks. Is it good, Jess? What do you got there? Is that a Starbucks cupcake? Looks like you ate all the frosting off of it.
You want the rest?
You want me to eat the rest?
Yeah.
Oh, and Kenzie's got her cookie.
It's a giant cookie.
It is a giant cookie. Oh, give it, Kenz.
Oh, baby. What's the wait time? It says 90 minutes each. So did you guys like that? We just took a trip to Mars. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just because Mom.
Dad felt sick.
Yeah, it was fun. I didn't even feel it.
So cute, Ken. Look, show me the heart on the back. Oh, I love it. That is so cute. So we just finished what ride? What ride did we just finish?
The space mission.
Mission to Mars. And Kenzie got a little souvenir. This little Lilo and Stitch doll. This is like a girl Lilo, right?
Yeah.
Wait, which one's Lilo? Or is it Stitch? Is Stitch the little creature?
No.
Or is Lilo the
No, this is the goal that I want
Stitch
to
is the creature.
No, Mom, it's her own name.
Oh, she has a different name?
Yeah.
Mom doesn't know what she's talking about, do I?
Yeah, but Mom, do you know this is our movie coming up? It's our movie.
Oh, there's another movie coming up with a Lilo and Stitch movie?
Like this.
Oh, I didn't know that. Is it gonna rain or what?
It's not gonna rain. It's just Mom, it's not a rain. It's not gonna rain. This side's darker than that side's sunny.
Squeeze in, Kens. A little bit. Kenzie, come in front. I can't see you. All right, tell me, Ethan, I can't see you. All right, 1, 2.
Stay there. Wait. Ready, set, go.
1, 2, 5.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. Oh, you're going to Elsa's ice palace. That's good. I'm going, and it'll be so beautiful. See you. Really know this song. Watch this next night. First
For my sister's magic night.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
They were born ready. For the first time in forever. We get to
no road, no rules for me. I'm free. Ready, go,
Officially wielded. We spent the whole day at Epcot. We're tired. We're ready to go back to the resort and check into our room. But we had a great time, a lot of fun, a lot of walking today, and we're looking forward to tomorrow. Did you guys have fun today? Yeah. Kenzie, did you have fun, baby girl? You tired?